you, Chitra, which is, of course, um, spatial planning. How have they utilized their space within the house?
I must say I liked it.
You did.
Yeah, and especially the way we've used the space, the furniture, um, and it feels very open and welcoming. Each of the places, that is the living. I think there's a sitting,
Yeah.
and along with the dining, um, they have been done up quite well, and they seem to be quite comfortable and tastefully done.
Tastefully.
At least I liked it. And there's only a few things which I would say, like some of the artifacts. They
Too
could
much
have
of it.
been, yeah, too much of it. They could play it down a little bit so that, especially when you open the door and you look, if there was just one piece there, it would have looked much, much more better.
Yeah.
Otherwise, on the whole, I liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with it.
And what do you give it?
I'd give 21.
21. Okay. What about you, Zarin? What about the spatial concept, trend-setting concept, anything? Spatial
Yes.
planning.
The spatial planning is really good.
Mhm.
Actually, it's really dynamic
Okay.
because each space is flowing into the other, and there is that vertical space also,
Okay.
rather than the horizontal space that is lying horizontally. It also flows into the through that staircase.
Oh, yes,
That
yes.
staircase itself is a sort of a space in itself.
It's not done well.
So
Different.
then another thing is the good play of light. So he has employed both natural light through those slits and those openings.
Between the wood,
on, yeah.
the wood things.
Then there's a dome with a puncture on it. So that natural light is there. At the same time, he has put artificial light in good focal points.
Okay. How much?
I would give 21.
21. Okay. That's me. Anything?
Yeah, sometimes when it's your third, you're a disadvantage.
You're in
because-
star. Yeah, because
both
they
of them
said
stole my
everything.
point.
No, I'm
Yeah.
sure you said.
But trend-setting concepts, I give very high rating for this.
Okay, so you're impressed with the concept.
I am impressed with the concept, the way the space is designed, more about the way the space is flowing.
Okay.
That is very nice. I like the way where the pergolas and top merge with wall dividers, which again forms part of a more like a trellis. It's a divider. It's very interesting. But mostly what I've observed is I have not come across any arch, any curves in this house,
Oh.
which is a very interesting fact. Like, and he has highlighted the horizontals and the verticals in a very nice way. The only probably curved part is the beginning of the staircase.
Okay.
Just the beginning of the
Yeah.
staircase. But otherwise, it is great. I like the way the colors merge. They contrast very subtly, very nice. Trend setting, very high scoring.
Okay.
For spatial planning, also excellent. Artifacts, I fully agree with my colleagues.
Okay.
There are good pieces, and of course there are ordinary pieces. If we had just highlighted those good pieces alone, and probably I don't know, the architect would have walked in with the house owner a few hours back before your shoot.
Yeah.
I'm sure you would have taken a few things
Yeah,
off
maybe you
and
would
you would have given you a perfect shoot. Yeah? But otherwise, overall, very impressed, and I have good ratings for this. I would definitely give 22 for this.
Oh, very good. So that's 22 from Rajneesh, which brings us to our third parameter, which is the soft furnishings, and that also includes our toilets and kitchen. We'll start with you, Zarin.
Yeah. Kitchen is done both functionally and aesthetically.
Okay.
That's really good about it.
Yeah,
Certain kitchens you find really nice but cannot be functional, and vice versa. So here I give full credits to the whoever it is, the architect. And then toilets, it's not matched with the standards he has
the
set
house.
for the other parts of the house.
Maybe he doesn't want anyone to use it.
Then furnishing. Soft furnishing, nothing special about that. Curtains, blinds, etc. They all go with especially that blue curtain in the
Yes.
Yeah, in that bedroom.
The bedroom.
Yeah, it looks nice. Otherwise, it's not
Extraordinary, nothing.
extraordinary about. So I would give 19. out of
19
25.
for the soft furnishings parameter. How about you, Rajneesh?
Yeah, soft furnishing and Yeah, here again the kitchen. I
Yeah.
must compliment the architect and also the house owner for maintaining it very well. You know,
It's
that's
a
very,
trouble
very
area.
important. Yeah, that is nice. The curtains are bold in certain areas, and they complement the colors. And curtain and soft furnishing also is good. I like the way the blue is played in the bedroom. I think it's a master
With the
bedroom.
flooring and everything.
Yeah, though the furniture, the wardrobe is slightly dark, even slightly lighter, may be great. But I don't understand why a huge potted plant is.
Oh, yeah, the
you know,
green bit in the
yeah,
blue
I-
room.
that is. But other than that, I thought the play of your
Colours.
colors in your furnishing and all, it is good.
Okay.
Your kitchen seals the whole thing,
Okay.
especially a small bar tucked away on top of the fridge.
Yeah, I went to that straight away.
I like that. Obviously, I'm impressed. Yeah, but I would have liked the fridge little recess.
Okay.
Otherwise, kitchen is very nicely organized. Very, very comfortable, inviting kitchen.
Right.
And the toilets, like Cyril said, little disappointing. But I like the use of a light well in the toilet, which brings natural light inside. And overall, good and bad in few areas.
Okay.
And then for this, I would like to give 20.
20. All right. And finally, Chitra, I hope the points are not over.
Well, actually, most of it.
Okay.
But yeah, I'd like to stress on that blue bedroom, which I really like.
Okay.
But honestly, I would feel a lighter toned color for the
cupboard.
cupboard and the cot.
Yeah, it's the
Because-
same color as I think the drapes. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
the
Blue.
thing is, the cot was against a blue wall, so a lighter tone of the wood,
To
something
offset
like
it.
beech or something like light pine would have been certainly more beautiful
Okay.
than how it has been done right,
Right.
now. So I liked it, and I think I'll give 19.
19. Okay, which brings us to our last parameter, general aesthetics.